So, this video is a tutorial on how to make a paper speaker. It's really simple, and you can pretty much amaze your friends if you show them this because it's made out of paper. And it has decent sound quality. I mean, not as good as if you bought one from the store, but it's paper after all. So, I got the idea from the King of Random's YouTube channel, and check his channel out if you like stuff like this. But here's how to make it. First, you'll need a neodymium magnet wire, which is pretty easy to find in any kind of circuit board if it has inductors or something. Piece of paper, hot glue gun, 2 of those paper plates, and scissors, So now, let's get started. So my magnet is 1/2 inch by 1/4 of an inch. So that's just what I'm using. You can get it on Amazon. You want to cut about 1.5 inches of paper strip. So about right there. And then just cut the strip all along. So there's a rough estimate. So put a dab of hot glue on the paper. Then you get the magnet and roll it around the magnet. So now you'll want to put a dab of hot glue on the end. Seal it up. You've got your main part that you need, which the wire will wrap around the tube because the magnet will be at the bottom. Your magnet, you can take that out for a second. Grab your magnet wire and get a little bit off, just like that. Roll it towards the bottom and start maybe like 1/4 of an inch off the bottom of the paper. And what you want to do is get your hot glue gun, put a dab at the 1/4 inch mark, and then you just put the tip. So now you've got that. You need to put your magnet in for support, right there, and then roll the wire, wind the wire around. Okay, so I've wrapped the wire around and I have that much left. I'm just gonna bend this up and put some hot glue. So now I have the hot glue, and then I'm just gonna bend that into the hot glue. Okay, so now that we have that part over with, you can get rid of the extra paper. Now we will go to make the cone that holds it. So I just took a container, made a circle in the middle, and drew lines that I just estimated because I'm not want to do too much measuring on this, but I made like a little radiation symbol kind of thing where there's 1, 2, 3. You'll cut out the wider ones. So now I tilted the ones that we're going to cut out downward more. So it's these 3. You take a hobby knife, or just an X-Acto or something, and you're going to cut out these parts to get rid of those flaps. Okay, close to finishing up, so you're going to bend all 3 of these upwards. The wire, this magnet's going to be glued down with hot glue, so you can remove it if you want. Just do like a dab of it. And then this will be on it like that, but this will not be glued down to that. It'll be glued to this, and this will be glued to these 3 things. Find about the center of this, and then put a dot of glue there. Okay, so then you just kind of put your magnet in in the center-ish. So now you need to find the center of this plate and the wire side facing out. Find the center of this plate, put glue in the center, and then glue the top part of this there. See, now if you put this, it'll fit nice on the magnet. So you need to put like a dab of glue onto this. Then you need to press it into the bottom of the plate on the top. Just kind of don't make sure it's not skewed to one side. Try and make it as even as possible, and do that with the other two of these flaps. So your speaker is basically finished. So this is the test. This is the speaker. Plug the alligator clips in, and it connects to my stereo, and that's connected to my phone. So when I press play on my phone, keep in mind there's no other speakers going in the room. Just have to keep my word for it. If I press play, it'll start playing the music. So this is radio from my stereo, playing through my paper speaker that I made. It's really inexpensive. It's altogether about $10 just for the magnet. That's all you really need. If you already have a magnet, then it's free, so you can make a free speaker. Thanks for watching.